Today's best music mix.
Free radio.
Boy nut or girl nut? Come on. Have you got any suggestions on this, sir?
Not at the minute.
No.
I need to get him off my shoulder.
We could be here for some time.
Come on.
But we're waiting for Ziggy. Come on, Ziggy. Would you like the piece of fruit and the boy nut? Or would you like the piece of fruit and the girl nut? Which one would you like? The psychic parrot is not playing ball. Ziggy, look at these. Check these out. Right.
Come on, Zig.
What are you doing? More nuts, don't you, in China?
He's gone for the boy nut! He has gone for the boy nut! Ziggy, you the man! He's gone for the boy nut, mate!
Told you you're having a boy.
Do you know what? I don't care if I'm right. I'm just glad that it's over.
Look how he's opening it.
He's now opening the boy nut as well. Ziggy, high five on that, my friend.
Incidentally, Barry, this is definitely one for the awards.
Yes.
Yeah, get it off of the Sonys, mate.
Absolutely.
Title:
It's tongue.
Watching a parrot eat nuts.
It's in the bag. Ziggy's gone for... Mate, congratulations, you're having a boy.
Well, thank you, Ziggy.
There we go. Ziggy the psychic parrot.
Free radio.
Today's best music mix.
It's nice.